Kia has started testing the facelift of the Seltos midsize SUV, which was spotted for the first time in South Korea. Though it's heavily camouflaged on the front and rear, it still gives away few key details. Based on the camouflage, looks like the front fascia will receive much revision. Most of the exterior updates appears to be concentrated on the front end of the SUV. Therefore, the facelifted Seltos might receive a redesigned front fascia. We get a sneak peek into the updated headlamp cluster, which also includes new LED DRLs. Apart from new headlamp units, the new Seltos will also get new front grille, redesigned bumper with new fog lamps. We'll get inspiration from Kia Carens, which sports new design philosophy of opposite united. 2022 Seltos could also flaunt a new rear end design with revised L-shaped LED tail lamps and a new rear bumper. Apart from this, no major changes expected and the SUV retains the original silhouette. There will be no major changes to the interior as well, as the facelifted Kia might add some features such as panoramic sunroof, digital instrument cluster, among others. We can also expect new upholstery with new color themes. Under the hood, the Seltos facelift is expected to remain mechanically unchanged and will continue to be powered by the 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol making 115 horsepower and a more powerful 1.4-liter turbo petrol making 140 horsepower and a 1.5-liter diesel making 115 horsepower. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter, a CVT, a 6-speed IMT gearbox, and a 7-speed DCT options. The 2022 Seltos could see its global debut early next year, followed by the launch later. Like the Seltos, its Hyundai sibling Creta is also getting a facelift same time around. Thanks for watching.